Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power outlet, ABS, passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, front side airbag, traction control, and split bench seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.